Why do hiccups happen? And why can't you just stop them? Under your lungs sits a muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm pulls air into your lungs every single time you breathe. But a nerve runs right past that muscle. Eat too fast, drink something fizzy, swallow cold air, and that nerve gets irritated. The diaphragm jerks. It yanks in a sudden gulp of air. And at the top of your windpipe, your vocal cords slam shut. That slam is the sound. That slam is the hic. So a hiccup was never in your throat. A hiccup is a muscle spasm under your lungs.